Are you looking for a gated community with a lot to offer? A place you can call home with less maintenance and tons of amenities? Welcome to Parkwood South, a beautifully maintained gated community with its own workout room, a full kitchen, racquetball court, and even an outdoor pool. Conveniently located just off of Ray and between Lincoln Park and Trader Joe's. Why not have access to amenities you will enjoy year-round? This pair's home has a gorgeous tile roof, a 2-car garage, and a perfectly private backyard. I'm Tanya Stark with Avenue Stone Real Estate, and I'm here to give you a tour of 2070 South Parkwood Circle. Inside opens to your living room with vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace, your dining room, and spacious kitchen with a gas stove. Your perfect master suite with large bath, double sinks, and walk-in closet. And another full bedroom and bathroom are on the main floor. The lower level features a large family room with the perfect guest getaway. Entertain with ease, take advantage of the conveniences at your fingertips. Message me to get in before it's gone. I'm Tanya Starkle, and thanks for watching.